Hello, my dear kids. Now we are going to see H letter words. What is this? H. Come and join with me. H. H is for horse. Horse. H is for horse. H is for house. House. H is for house. H is for harp. Harp. H is for harp. H is for hammer. Hammer. H is for hammer. H is for hands. Hands. H is for hands. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. H is for helicopter. H is for hippo. Hippo. H is for hippo. H is for head. Head. H is for head. H is for hotel. Hotel. H is for hotel. H is for honey. Honey. H is for honey. H is for hawk. Hawk. H is for hawk. H is for hair. Hair. H is for hair. H is for hump. Hump. H is for hump. H is for hair. Hair. H is for head. H is for hen. Hen. H is for hen. Okay, kids. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.